Hello guys, today we are gonna be packing this pretty big girls channel. There are two, no one, two cameras on. I'm gonna be you using this. Hold on, I need to change it because okay now let me just apply L filters. Hold up. Noise suppression. Yes. Okay, this good. Okay, now let me show what it sounds like. So this is what I'm gonna be using. It's this.
Alright, bitch ass nigga, you got that ugly as shit. Yo, this nigga ugly as hell. This nigga thought kitty cords, right?
Yeah. So that's what we're gonna be using this video. I'm actually I'm actually kind of scared, but it's for you guys. So okay, so join voice.
I I can't pronounce that.
Guys,
Hey, for me.
hello. Can you
Hello,
hear
Ren.
me?
Food? You want to order me food?
What?
You want to order me food?
What are you speaking? Your mic is I can't hear you pretty well. I'm on a PC and
Jesus Christ.
Hold on, bro.
Order us food.
okay, brother. I'm gonna order food for you. In just a second.
Wait, snack
No,
it, snack
Livy,
it, snack
Livy,
it.
Livy.
Yes?
Alright, bitch ass nigga, you got that ugly as shit. Yo, this nigga ugly as hell. This nigga thought kitty cords, right? Ejaculate. Yo, this nigga glued his elbows to his knees. You bitch ass nigga. Yo, this nigga looks like an emo kid who gets jealous when they phone dies. Yo, this nigga thought condoms were yoga balloons. Yo, this nigga got that ugly as shit. This is a fat ass nigga who breaks a basketball rim in gym class. Bitch ass nigga. This nigga house smells like a Whopper tweet, you bitch ass nigga. Yo, that nigga said, oh, dance with my dogs in the nighttime. I got my wrist, I ain't trying to die. Yo, you got that ugly as shit, you bitch ass nigga. Yo, this nigga said, walk it like that, talk it. Walk it like that, talk it. Walk it like it buses.
Yo, yo, I got channel lock. Raiden Man's girlfriend. Guys, hello.
What's
Oh,
up?
yo, okay. Hello. Hello.
I don't
Okay,
know. She's like
okay,
not
never mind.
answering.
Bye, you. Bye. Let me hold up. Okay, brother. This is the video. Bye, guys. See you in the next video. I have made a new channel. Go follow it. Wait, hold up. How much money do I have? Okay.
Hard times.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you the other one. Hold up. Where was it? Wait. It's this one. Go and follow it. Subscribe.